Buongiorno, veg heads. When I think fall vegetables, I think butternut squash. Because it's my wife's favorite. It's my secret vegetable weapon that gets me from the doghouse to the penthouse. But shh, don't tell her. Butternut squash gets its name from its buttery color and nutty flavor. Seriously, that's it. Brown sugar, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Classic squash spices. Oh, the house smells amazing. Roasted squash and onion. Time for some oven lovin'. Mamma mia, look at these beauties. Yes, it's that simple. It really is. Dressing. All you need is your favorite jar. Apple cider vinegar. Apples and squashes are a match made in heaven. Kinda like me and my wife. Ooh. Sometimes the spoon is mightier than the knife, particularly on ginger. Veghead, salad dressing emulsification unit. Activate.
That's right. Roll up, it's time for the show. Forget everything that you know. You ain't seen nothing like this. It's impossible to resist. Just sit back and enjoy the view. Out with the old and with the new. Look forward, there's no looking back. Gotta be on the right track.
Kale and squash. A visual feast, a flavor fest. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. I knew it. It's time to jazz it up. Pumpkin seeds. Hemp hearts.